Hi everybody, the purpose of this video is to show you how to share your Flipgrid with your students in Schoology. So I've got my course set up, I've got my group set up as they call it on Flipgrid, which this is the class. And then I've got my topic, which is one of the discussions. So after you have it set up, you're going to go to share and you're going to look for this blue button right here where it says copy embed code. So I'm going to copy this embed code. It doesn't look like anything happened, but it actually did. It copied it. So I'm going to go over to my Schoology course and I'm going to add materials. You have the ability to use the rich text editor in any area of Schoology. So you can create this as an assignment. You can create this as a discussion. You can create this as a page. I'm going to encourage people to add an assignment and turn off submissions. So since this is going to be an introductory Flipgrid, I'm going to turn off submissions and I'm going to set the category as ungraded. So let's call this intro Flipgrid. And then I want to put the Flipgrid in this area where the students see. So I'm going to go right here to this insert content button, click that. I'm going to select image and media. And now I'm going to say that this is from the web. And I'm going to select media because this is a type of media. I'm going to paste in this HTML language. I'm going to hit insert. I'm going to get a yellow box. That is okay. Category, since this is an introduction, I'm going to make this ungraded, but I'm going to turn off submissions because I don't want the students to see that submit button on the side, and I'm going to turn off comments. So I'm going to hit create. And I'll show you what it looks like once it loads. So I go down here, intro Flipgrid. I'm going to click that and you'll see the Flipgrid is loaded. All the students have to do is sign in with Google. It'll ask them, is this you? Yes, because they're using a Chromebook, so it's already going to have their Google information in there. And now here is my Flipgrid. You also have the ability to make this wider if you want. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, all you have to do is go back into editing. You just click the yellow box and you can just click and drag it over and then hit save. And so it'll give you a little bit more room. It's totally up to you what size you want to make it, but all the students have to do is click this button and then they're ready to record. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.